Oh, geez, that's so smooth. That's crazy. But you don't have to put any pressure on it.
It is like butter. This clipped right through. Barely left any marks at all. They're really nice.
Yes, it gives you cover.
That's kind of ridiculous how smooth it is, though.
Yeah,
like,
right?
you don't even feel like you're putting pressure on it, and it's just snipping through. That's stupid.
Yeah. It's really.
You rub your fingers and it's just gonna bleed.
Whoa, what the heck?
They're gonna charge them.
That is such like so little. Like
Okay, that's all the charge.
I'd be worried about breaking
That's your
this.
only
Like, look, it's so smooth. It's not even funny.
Don't forget about the interrupt function. Okay, so we'll do trading first.
Oh man.
That might have to end up in the budget now.
Yeah.